The Daily Crypto Catch by Kalkine Media is brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Crossgate Capital is a specialist investor in cryptocurrencies, a Kiwi company providing a smart way to invest in crypto through shares. Crossgate Capital's diversified portfolio includes Bitcoin, Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies. To learn more, simply visit www.crossgatecapital.co.nz.
Thanks for tuning into Kalkine TV. I'm James and this is the Daily Crypto Catch, proudly brought to you by Crossgate Capital. A 23-year-old has managed to break into Brisbane's soaring property market because of an ace up his sleeve, namely cryptocurrency. Loy Nguyen first started investing in blockchain technology in 2017 when he was in his second year of university. Cryptocurrency then boomed from 2020 onwards, and Mr Nguyen realised he could afford a home in Queensland's red-hot real estate industry. This week, his $430,000 offer for a one-bedroom apartment in inner-city Brisbane was accepted. Nguyen has secured the property with an $86,000 or 20% deposit. Moving on, and the European Parliament has voted against a controversial proposal to outlaw all proof of work amid widespread backlashes. European Union MP Andrzej Kovarik, who serves on the Committee of Economic and Monetary Affairs, praised the decision. Kovarik said that at Econ, they have just rejected a proposal calling for a ban on crypto trades such as Bitcoin in the European Union. On Monday afternoon, the proposal document Markets in Crypto Assets Regulations stated the proposal includes a crypto asset providers shall not provide services related in any way, shape or form to crypto assets that do not meet the environmental sustainability criteria in accordance with Article 3A. Ultimately, this emerges as great news for crypto enthusiasts, allowing for the creation of further crypto projects without too much stranglehold. Global investors are scooping up stakes in cryptocurrency funds and companies as they seek exposure to a sector many believe could withstand the fallout from the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Research firm Fundstrat stated that venture capital buyers invested around $4 billion in the crypto space in the last 3 weeks of February. Venture capitalists poured another $400 million into startups in the sector last week, according to more data. The venture capital investment is consistent with broad weekly inflows. Since the beginning of the year, weekly investments in the industry have been averaging anywhere between $800 million to about $2 billion, according to Fundstrat data. And lastly, Dogecoin, Bitcoin and Ether briefly spiked on Monday after Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that he still owns the cryptocurrencies and has no plans to sell them. Dogecoin rose 3.9% to 11 cents a piece, according to CoinDesk, before falling 1.2% in early morning trading. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, rose 3.4% and is now sitting around about 0.2% up in the past 24 hours. And Ether, the token underpinning the Ethereum blockchain network, was up by 0.3%. And that's all for today's edition of the Daily Crypto Catch, proudly brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV for the latest market updates, business news and exclusive interviews. I'm James, signing off for now.